And this is KUROMI'S bedroom.
Hello.
Now we have arrived at the house of CINNAMOROLL. And she is CINNAMOROLL's little sister. Yes, it's CINNAMOROLL's bedroom. Hello, good morning everyone. Today is KUROMI'S birthday. CINNAMOROLL and I will go to KUROMI'S house to give a present. Now I will change clothes and dress up. No, I want to use checkered ribbon.
Yay!
Let's go, everyone. Hey, CINNAMOROLL, I arrived. Oh no, has CINNAMOROLL woken up from its sleep yet? Hey, Cinnami, where is CINNAMOROLL? I don't know. I'm eating strawberries. It's okay. I'll go straight to her room and wake her up. Hello, Rabbit. How are you? Hello. Hey, CINNAMOROLL, wake up. We will go to KUROMI'S house to give her a gift.
I'm so tired.
Don't worry, mymelody. I've prepared a gift for KUROMI. Is that true? What did you give her? You'll see later, mymelody. Now you wait in the living room. I want to change clothes. Okay, CINNAMOROLL. Which clothes do I wear? This one,
later.
Hello, Cinnamoroll. Hello, my melody. Why did you come so late? I can't wait for you guys. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a gift for you, Kuromi. Wow, what's in this gift? May I open it, Cinnamoroll? Yes, Kuromi. Surely you will be happy to see it. Wow, this is a pom-pom frog. I am so happy, Cinnamoroll and my melody. By the way, did you prepare food for us? Oh no, I'm sorry, I forgot. How about we just take a photo together? Yes, it's okay, Kuromi. Okay, let's take a photo. Smile. Okay, that's today's story. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.